nonsense. This one na celebrity oh. He not be number one for Africa. He look as the corona they disturb the community, they disturb the country. Now reach out to people, make them donate to a foundation so that if he help. Now then people can start to donate. They use your own awareness. He not wait for government. Nigeria celebrity now they come for. So if you be celebrity, not watch this news, because it will touch your kidney. Now I start to give to people. Those of you never see the things we do. This one a musician, things we even buy. He plenty past Lagosian. All those food where Lagos government say that they give. Only wait till this guy donate. Where people donate for and we give to Congo people. He pass so now. Those of you never watch. Regardez là-bas.
Venons rendre compte par rapport à l'élan de solidarité que nous avons lancé il y a une semaine. En effet, vous avez été nombreux à réagir et nous vous en remercions. Nous vous en remercions énormément. Nous avons reçu, je vais vous faire un petit compte rendu, du point de vue financier. Nous avons reçu sur le compte Litchi 6 000 euros. Nous avons reçu 6 000 euros sur le compte Litchi. Le compte de la fondation a reçu 22 000 euros. Et sur les mobile money, nous avons reçu un total de 250 euros. À côté de ça, nous avons reçu des vivres. Comme vous pouvez en voir un échantillon ici, nous avons reçu des vivres. Nous avons reçu 2000 sacs de riz. Nous avons reçu du sel. Nous avons reçu des boîtes de tomates. Nous avons reçu des boîtes de conserve. Nous avons reçu du poulet, de la semoule. Nous avons reçu des packs de boissons gazeuses. Nous avons reçu des packs d'eau, du lait. En tout cas, nous vous remercions énormément pour ce que vous avez fait.
Vous savez, savon. I know say you don't understand. They won't thank you. This one a deep French and hard for you. I know say your ear never strong English. I know say we don't tell they speak French. So we won't thank you. Congo people say me they greet you. Or people say you are a good person. For Nigeria, all those way they call Davido. Viens for viens comme online the smoke go up and down so nothing you do. Wizkid, you know they use that they see why Tiwa Savage oh no hip hop come ikebete nothing you do me oju elegba o we blanc oju elegba say never see bag of rice. Olena Naira Marley Gbokoyo Oboyan, nothing he do. Naira Marley, you want to bring dance, people call they dance like monkey, kiro mokri. Now dance with the dance for years now. Nothing he do. Zlatan, oh, that one have to shout for studio. What? Nothing he do. Burna Boy, yeah. You want to offend people for Instagram. And follow people quarry. Nobody pave way for and I pave way for himself. So if they pave only himself, they go. Nothing they do. And they tell you, and they report about Nigeria star where they respect to. Which one they get? Tiwa Savage, oh. And who won't give her quality attention, give her for the back, give her for the front, give his style. Now that one I define. You never know what they do. Yeah, me Alade, he define Johnny, they go. Oh, man, me Johnny, me go along boy. Nothing, none of them do. Two-Face, he go give money to federal government 10 million, and he call and he state all of them get cap. Oh, we not get. Then our musician, our comedian, where they do so table for 5 million. Nothing that they do. Ali Baba, they wear glass like who won't be doctor. Hey, why? Oh, nothing. They find 10,000. We won't give people online. Well, but to show their house, nothing all the basketmen where they do like Ogoro, nothing they do that they wait for federal government. You see, Don Jazzy, oh, they find out you want to follow Rihanna, where you never get fee. They find Rihanna where you want date. Nothing on that do. See on her age. This guy not get money reach on her half hand. Because if you reach past her, they insult all of like all Nigeria celebrities. From Nollywood to Hollywood to Diddywood to musicianwood, all of them are wicked. Una get money. They want to take on a for sure. As soon as they call big money, they want keep people here. If they want one of my guy pay money, this one I will call the person name. He take $15,000 for just to do a how do they call it fishery for small upcoming. $15,000 na take. Patoraki. I don't see any money now because all of them will say I not get money. We know everybody's secret for inside this place. All the Clarence Peter short it. Can't you just short something out to your community? Nothing on that short. See on our age. Where just they dance anyhow. See what they do for a community. It's just raise awareness. Use it. Because there are rich people they follow now. When I just tell them, say, I mean, they donate there. I'm not even they look for that money. You just use your platform to gather money. Help people. They wait for federal government. Federal government kill all of them out there. Let me God bless you now. I go to follow you now. Only you want I go follow. I know they follow them when they well. I have to give us BP. Now they do. Don't go through the other news. No time.